Oh,
Coach!
hi ma'am.
I'm very disappointed.
Oh, what's wrong ma'am?
I have been learning SMC for quite a while now. But ganon, I'm still so lost. I feel so dumb. Hindi pa rin ako consistent. I'm not profitable. Help me, coach.
Oh, sige. Don't worry. We'll simplify it for you, okay?
Thank you, coach.
Alright. Sige ma'am.
Okay, so before tayo mag-dive in too much sa SMC, unang-una, bakit ba siya naging sobrang popular? Well, one of the things what made SMC so popular is yun yung sinasabi, kiniklaim nila kung paano daw mag-trade ang mga bangko or mga institutions. That's what they call it, the smart money concept. So kumbaga, people have named it ICT trading kasi it was claimed that it was made by the guy named ICT, which is part of an inner circle of bank traders mula nung araw pa. We're talking about the 1970s and so on. Pero at the end of the day, people start branding it different names, pero it's all smart money concept. Okay? Now, ang pinaka-importante kasi sa understanding of smart money concept is you have to understand that SMC is not a strategy. Oy, did you hear that right? Yeah, it's not a strategy, okay? Kasi a lot of people for many years has been studying SMC and yet wala pa rin silang clarity, okay? So let me explain bakit ang SMC is not a strategy. So unang-una, yung pangalan niya is Smart Money Concepts. Concepts, okay? Concepts are different ways to approach the market, okay? So anong nangyari sa mga tao, they learn these concepts and then nangyari, these concepts end up convoluting or parang they end up overthinking kasi there's so many concepts. They think by knowing all the concept, alam nila gagawin sa market. Pero minsan yung mga concept na yan ay nagkokontra-kontrahan. So, unang-una, ano ba dapat ang strategy? In short, ang strategy has to have some kind of chosen approach sa market. Now, this chosen approach could either be a technical strategy or fundamental or sentimental. Okay? So, when we say technical, it could be support and resistance, isang concept, one or two or three concepts sa smart money concept, or you can do old school indicator trading, yung mga ganon. And then, siyempre, kung gusto sa mga fundamental, why not? Ngayon, one of the key factor din besides sa yung parang approach na yon is yung you gotta have risk management, okay? Dito kinukulang ang mga traders most of the time sa risk management. Risk management is knowing, yung tinatawag nating limit, okay? Limit whether when you win, limit when you lose money. All right? Knowing when to stop. You have to have that kind of risk management and you have to know ano ba dapat yung risk appetite mo and so on and so on. Okay? And then the final key factor is dapat meron tayong psychological training. Okay? Now, psychological training, yan yung tinatawag nating mental fortitude. Okay? Yung mga tinatawag tayong emotional discipline para makontrol yung mga greed natin, para yung mga so-called human emotions ay ma-prevent. Kasi a lot of people go into trading with this full of emotions, think may high expectation of becoming a rich person right away, pero due to emotions, they end up losing more money. So yun yung mga bagay na things to consider before you claim that something is a strategy. Okay? But anyways, tara, let's dive right in sa smart money concept. I'm only gonna give 3 examples, okay? And I'm not gonna dive in too much into details about it kasi doon ko na ilalabas sa next episode yung ano siya. Pero binigyan ko na kayo ng mga sample sa mga previous episodes. So, unang-una, kung makikita nyo rito, we have si order block. Yan yung pinakita ko nung last 2 videos, I believe, na kung ano ba example ng order block, ano ba siya. And now, in the future, I'll be explaining si fair value gap, how to trade it, so on, and si breaker block. Si breaker block ay a form of order block na binasag. Ngayon, si breaker block, may SMC name yan na people call it CHOCH. CHOCH, which is change of character. Pero at the end of the day, it's called breaker block. It doesn't matter. Okay? They're all derived from the same concepts, all supply and demand. Pero if you want to know more about these, abangan nyo yung mga next episodes. Okay? So, yun lang muna sa smart money concept. See you next week, ladies and gentlemen.